Hello, today we'll be exploring how to install MKE on Kubernetes clusters in AWS EC2. We will walk through installing MKE on these two Ubuntu VMs. First, install the MKE CTL CLI using the shell script. Next, generate a sample mke4.yaml config file using the MKE CTL init command. Set address to the externally reachable DNS name of the MKE API server load balancer. Edit the host section to specify connection details for your target VMs. Apply the config file to create the MKE cluster. After MKE is successfully installed, a username and password are created. Save them in a secure location. To access the MKE UI, enter the external address from your config file into your browser. After logging in, click to grant access to the MKE dashboard. Insert your license in the mke4.yaml config file under the spec section. In just a few steps, we have successfully installed MKE and enabled the MKE dashboard, which you can use to manage Kubernetes resources. Use the MKE dashboard to securely manage Kubernetes nodes, workloads, services, and cluster configurations through a centralized web interface.